Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add text in Capcut videos or images or whatever. So I will show you how to do this on your PC. So you'll go ahead and create a new video project, and now you choose your project. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to choose, for example, this video. And now, if you want to add a text, you basically find a place where you want to put it. And right here at the left corner, you can see a text. So you just add a heading and basically write down something like, let's write down this, focusing on myself. And now let's change the sizing. And maybe you want to add some basically change the font, so you can do that. Now you also can change the opacity. As you can see, it can be transparent, and also of course you can change how long it will be on this video. So that's that. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.